Are you planning to buy a classic American muscle car? The thrill of owning a piece of automotive history can be an enticing prospect. But there are several factors to consider before making such a significant investment. Today we're discussing 9 key points to keep in mind when buying a classic American muscle car. Firstly, vehicle demand is crucial. Research the current demand for the specific make, model, and year of the muscle car you're interested in. Trends in the collector car market, popularity among enthusiasts, and recent auction results can all provide valuable insight. Secondly, consider the car's rarity. Evaluate the production numbers, special editions, or unique features. The rarer the car, the more desirable it often is among collectors. Thirdly, assess the restoration condition. The quality of any restoration work done on the car can significantly impact its value and appeal. Next, inspect the car's current condition. This includes the body, frame, engine, and interior. A well-maintained and rust-free car is likely to require less work and investment in the long run. Fifthly, determine the car's ability to be restored. If the car isn't in pristine condition, consider the feasibility and cost of restoring it. Sixthly, don't forget the art of price negotiation. Start your negotiations at 20 to 25% below the asking price. Seventh, if buying from a dealer, ensure they conduct a comprehensive inspection of the car's condition and history. Eighth, only deal with dealers who are confident in the car's condition and are willing to allow in-depth inspections. Finally, consider the investment potential of the muscle car. Consult with experts or join online forums to gather insights into the car's market performance and future prospects. In conclusion, buying a classic American muscle car is a significant investment, and careful consideration should be given to factors such as demand, rarity, restoration, and current condition, ability to be restored, price negotiation, dealer inspection, confidence in condition, and investment potential. By keeping these 9 points in mind, you'll be well on your way to making an informed purchasing decision and potentially owning a piece of American automotive history.